This PowerPoint I'm going to talk about volcanoes. Just a brief introduction on what this PowerPoint is going to be about. It's going to cover what a volcano is, the different types of magma and their compositions, the controls of how explosive the volcanoes will be, and the effects of the volcano. Slide 3 is just a chart of the volcanoes, like different types of volcanoes, or characteristics and examples of, and diagrams of each of the volcano types. Just a quick definition of what a volcano is. It's a mountain or a hill that is typically having a crater or vent through which lava, rock fragments, hot vapor, and gas are or have been erupted from the Earth's crust. Now the different types of magmas. And their compositions. There are three major types of magma. There's basaltic, andesitic, and rhyolitic. We'll start with the least silica-based. Um, the basaltic. Basaltic are the least viscous, which means that they have the most ability to flow of the three magma types. Most of the time, basaltic magmas erupt at from volcanoes on the sea floor. Basaltic magmas also on the seafloor create pillow basalts. There's a diagram on the slide to demonstrate how those happen. Moving up to the andesites. Andesites form the ocean to ocean plate boundaries or from ocean to continent divergent plate boundaries. Andesites are moderately viscous, and andesite magmas can sometimes aid in creating calderas, which leads us to the biggest one of them all. Rhyolite magmas. Rhyolite magmas are the most viscous, which means that they are almost solid when they come. Well, they're almost solid. Uh, Only occurs in continent over crust from a hotspot. Creates a supervolcano like the one in Yellowstone, and they are also calderas, but on a much larger scale. The controls of how explosive a volcano will be. The more viscous the magma, the more explosive the volcano will be because of this, rhyolite volcanoes are the most explosive due to trapped gas. Calderas are the most violent volcanoes because when they collapse, there's the most change in the magma. If Yellowstone were to erupt, it would put 2,500 cubic kilometers of ash into the air.
Nice.
The effects of volcanoes. There can be mass devastation due to volcanic ash. Forests can become leveled by the blast of the volcano, can cause death, makes the land inhabitable for many years, and can alter the temperature patterns drastically, possibly creating another ice age. And conclusion, rhyolite magmas are the most dangerous. Viscosity plays a large part in how they explode, and a caldera creates massive